Let's face it, cleaning floors with a traditional mop can be a real pain. It's a chore that takes forever, leaves you exhausted, and often doesn't even do the job properly. But fear not, my friend, the Swiffer WetJet floor cleaner is here to save the day and your back. The Swiffer WetJet is like a mop on steroids. It's lightweight, easy to use, and comes with disposable pads that make cleanup a breeze. No more wringing out a dirty mop or handling messy buckets of water. With the WetJet, you just need to snap on a new pad, press a button, and watch the magic happen. The WetJet's secret weapon is its specially formulated cleaning solution. It's like a superhero that swoops in and saves your floors from dirt and grime. And the best part, there's a variety of scents to choose from, so you can enjoy a refreshing aroma while you clean. It's like going to the spa, but for your floors. But what about the cost, you ask? The Swiffer WetJet won't break the bank. It's like a bargain bin superhero that swoops in and saves your wallet from the high cost of traditional mopping. The mop itself is reasonably priced, and the cost of the disposable pads and cleaning solution cartridges won't add up over time. In short, if you want an easy-to-use, affordable, and super-powered way to keep your floors clean, the Swiffer WetJet floor cleaner is your go-to. It's like a knight in shining armor for your floors, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg. So why not give it a try? Your floors and your wallet will thank you.